Hello. Let us see some words that are used with the preposition with. Examples include abide, abide with, charge, charge with, confer, confer with, meddle, meddle with, interfere, interfere with, angry, angry with, agree, agree with. Let's look at some examples. She was conferred with a new title. She was conferred with a new title. I am not angry with you at all. I am not angry with you at all. We all agreed with him. We all agreed with him. No one should meddle with my business. No one should meddle with my business. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.